Horses out, we have juggling act. Pass to begin, Dancing Giselle. Moving a party out, so now is El Negro. Then followed by Go Army in Port, My Hope in Pipa. Bianca's Fantasy, Deception, Sant Antoni, and Botbo is the early trailer. Now we have El Negro, the leader by about 3 for Palenka. Running by the second is Dancing Giselle. And about 6 lengths away in third, juggling act, My Hope, moving up by the to take fourth. Go Army in Peep, then comes Deceptions, Bianca's Fantasy, Sant Antoni, and a long way back to Botbo, who trails the field by about 14 lengths up the pace. And that's still El Negro by about 2 lengths. Dancing Giselle is still in second, juggling act in third. Then moving up, down on the inside is My Hope. Then a long way back to Go Army. And it's still El Negro, Dancing Giselle, My Hope. Down on the inside, juggling act is on the outside. El Negro, My Hope, juggling act, joining them. This time, 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Juggling act now takes the lead. Then on the outside is My Hope. El Negro dance back in third. We have juggling act by Auralenka. My Hope is on the outside, but it's still juggling act followed by My Hope on the outside. And entering the finish line, it's juggling act, My Hope, Sant Antoni, El Negro, Go Army, Botbo, Bianca's Fantasy, then comes